What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to continue the previous topic. In the previous topic we were talking about regeneration and similar stuff like that. But do you actually know how does this concept came from where does it came from, and what are its application? I talked about its application in the previous video. While we have to, whenever we get enacted, we have to decapitate that thing. Whenever those things occur, then we could regenerate our body parts like that. We talk about the liver mostly in our body, which is very helpful for our digestion. We know that thing. But do you actually know if we take a single part of a liver from out of the body, but the liver could regenerate itself? Yeah, that's right. If we cut open the liver and take most of it outside the body, but leave a very small section of it still inside the body, the small section would regenerate itself as a complete organ, and liver is the only organ which could perform this action. No other organ in our body can regenerate itself fully, but our liver cell have very high capacity of regenerating themselves, and that's very interesting, I would say. And PKU, we all know that it's a disease of liver. It causes those cells to dry out and make them very worse. So our cells regenerate again and again to disease infect themselves. So the disease could be gone from regeneration as well. So regeneration is those things. I know regeneration is a very cool concept, but regenerative therapy is even cooler. How is that? Because regenerative therapy occurs with stem cells. We know stem cells come from the umbilical cord, blastocytes, those all things. But do you actually know the purpose of stem cells? Stem cells are the source of the very organs, very cells of our body. Yeah, our whole cells of our body, there are about 220 million cells in our body. Among those cells, every cell is started from a stem cell. So source of all those cells is from the stem cell. Just know that. So stem cell is the reason for every type of cell. Now stem cells are preserved. There are various organizations which are preserving the stem cells at the birth. So if in future you have leukemia or any other diseases which requires new cells to be added in the body, then those stem cells could be converted back. Yeah, those stem cells could be modified to form those cells. For example, if you have blood cancer, then your cells of the blood would be destroyed, obviously. So to remove those cells, because if one is going to transplant their blood again and again, it is very economically not efficient, as well as it would not even work many times. But in reality, if you have a separate pair of stem cells preserved, then in the lab the stem cells could be modified into the type of cells that you are required. And when the stem cells are in the form of blood cells, then it would be injected back into the body. And since it is our own DNA, own genetics, then the immune system will not act on it, and our body will be very fine among a very less economically thing. So this is what happens. So stem cells has its application too, and it is, we are talking about only leukemia, right? But it has very big in thing, because if you have a heart disease, you could replace your heart. If you have brain disease, you can replace a part of your brain. I know its application are not that wide, because it is very dangerous. Humans are considered as very valuable, so we do not consist experiment on ourselves, but these experiments are done on rat, on sheep, on goat, and they have to be found to be very successful on those cases. But on humans, it is not done right now. But the high chances of this occurring is very high, and it would probably in the future. I hope you understand all of these things. If you didn't understand, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.